This is the Vivo V25 5G. Vivo is refreshing its V series, with the introduction of the Vivo V25 5G smartphone. This latest Vivo handset features a 6.62-inch AMOLED display with a full HD Plus resolution. The display panel has a 20:9 aspect ratio, 406 ppi pixel density, and a wider notch that accumulates the selfie camera. The device boots Android 12 out of the box with FunTouch OS 12 on top. The Vivo V25 5G is powered by Snapdragon 778G processor, which is accompanied by a Adreno 642L GPU. The smartphone also comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. That's great for those that love watching movies or multitasking. The handset features a triple camera setup. The camera module includes a 50MP main camera, 8MP wide-angle lens, and a 2MP macro sensor. The selfie department of the V25 5G is handled by a dual front-facing camera. Up front, the device has a 16MP primary camera, and an 8MP ultra-wide lens. The whole package draws power from a 4500 mAh battery, that offers support for 44 watts fast charging. The other key specifications of the Vivo V25 5G include a dual SIM card slot, Wi-Fi 802.11, Bluetooth V5.2, GPS, a USB Type-C port, an on-screen fingerprint sensor, and a face unlock support. If you have gotten value from this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Tech5 for more.